Hi, I'm Dar with the Healy Technology Report. Today we're going to have a look at first steps of setting up your Yeastar S-Series phone system. And so what I have here is a Yeastar S20 phone system. It's the smallest of them all, great for small business. It supports up to 20 extensions and up to 10 lines or concurrent calls. This is the newer P-Series phone system. This is a P550, and so we're going to have a look at that one as well. So the first thing that you need to do when you unpack your phone system and take it out of the box is you need to plug it into your network. So I'm going to show you what's on the back of the S series here. Now this we have 4 ports for either line cards or set cards, analog sets, depending on what kind of cards you have in here. And then more importantly, there's 2 network jacks. There's one that's called WAN, W-A-N, another one called LAN, L-A-N, and of course there's the power over here. So we always need to plug into the LAN port right here. So I'm going to plug in my power, and I'm going to plug in my cable to my LAN port. Now this particular cable, the other end is going to the same place that your computer's network cable is going to. So your computer's network cable is going into the wall, it's going into a network switch. That's where this cable should be going to. It should be going to the same network switch. Your VoIP phones are probably going to the same place as well. So we need a cable that plugs into that network switch and then plugs into LAN, L-A-N. Now on the S-Series S50 and the P-Series 550, there is also a WAN, W-A-N, and a LAN, L-A-N, and we want to plug it into the LAN, L-A-N. Now when I do that, you can see that there's a yellow and green light connected. Now that's really important because that means that there is a physical connection, electrical connection between this and your network switch, and there's traffic going back and forth. So you want a blinking yellow light and a solid green light. Now once that's done, the phone system, when it's factory default or come right out of the box, has an IP address of 192.168.5.150. Now, it's almost impossible for your computer to be on that network range. And so what we need to do is make a modification on your computer's network settings so that we can reach the phone system and then update the IP address. Now, if this is getting beyond your skill and you want some help, you can certainly open a ticket with Helia. We're certified on all of the Yeastar systems, and we can help you get your phone system set up. And what we would do is we open a remote connection, connect to one of your PCs, and then make the changes here and take you all the way through the setup process. So let's have a look at how we configure the computer. Now here next to my clock, I've got a computer network icon. You might have a Wi-Fi icon. If you don't have this here, we're going to open up this this arrow, and there's a bunch more icons that might be in there. So I'm going to click on this and then open network and internet settings. You might need to go to your start button and search for that network and internet settings. Now here we are. I'm going to click on change adapter settings, and so we're going to click on that, and that's going to bring me up to all my different connections. The one with the red are disconnected. This happens to be the right one for me. The red ones we can ignore altogether. I'm going to right click, go down to properties, and it's going to ask me for a username and password. So I'm going to put that in. And then here we have, now there's one that says Internet Protocol version 4. That's what we're going to double click on. And you can see it says obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server. Now this is really important. This is going to be specific to your computer. I'm going to open up a command window here. And what we're going to do, let's move this down. We're going to type in ipconfig, IPCONFIG, and hit enter. I have some network information. Now the safest thing to do is take this information here and type it into this box. So again, mine's going to be very different than yours. So you definitely want to have a look at your computer. If you just take this information here, it is not going to work for you. And then 94.1. So that's the same information that I have here, and I've just copied across. Now, For DNS, this is temporary, so I'm just going to use the Google DNS server and the IBM DNS server. That's 8888 and 9999. Then we're going to go to advanced, and this is where the important stuff happens. So because these phone systems here are on the range of 192.168.5.150 is the IP address, we have to add an IP address that's in the same range. So 192.168.5.5, and you can use that. This part you can copy for me. And the subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and we're going to go add, and we're going to go OK, and we're going to go OK again, and OK again. And if you well, let's close all of these windows. Now I'm back at this black screen here. I can try and ping 192.168.5.150. That's the factory IP address of the phone systems. You can see I'm getting a response, and that's really important because that means that this computer is now talking to this. In this case, the P550 has that address. This one is already configured and a local address for me. So with that information, I can now go back up here. I can type 192.168.5.150, and then really important, :8088. And so that's going to take you to the admin interface of your S series or your P series. And so here it comes, factory reset, and this is what you're going to see. So it'll take you now through the initial setup wizard. That's as far as we're going to go today. I'm Dar with the Helia Technology Report. Please check out our YouTube channel at youtube.com/HeliaCanada and subscribe. That way, as we add more videos, you're going to get a notification. There's great things in there for setting up all sorts of features on the Yeastar phone systems, other phone systems, and then network radios and network equipment and all sorts of things. So please subscribe. Also, if you're in Canada, check out our online store at buyphonesonline.ca, and we've got all the equipment that we install and that we recommend to our customers up there. So lots of good stuff, decent prices. I'm Dar with the Helia Technology Report. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you are having problems with your setting up of the Yeastar phone system, please reach out to us. We can open up a ticket and get one of our techs to connect remotely. Our rates are very, very good. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.